All right, we're out here at a home in Apple Valley. Customer went on vacation, came home to about 2-3 inches of water on the ground. Cisneros Brothers was called out to the home. We started extracting some water, got the most water that we could get out. Unfortunately, we had to pack out all the contents for the customer. So we got all that taken care of, and next we're attacking the floor because the floor was starting to warp. So we're demoing all the flooring out, and the next step is to cut that drywall at the 2-foot standard flood cut. Okay, so once drywall is all cut out and that's all torn out, we're going to place the dehumidifiers, air movers, and air scrubbers in the home to start the drying process. We have to get that wood to the dry standard, and we use the equipment to help us get to that point. That'll be 3, 4, 5 days of drying. Once that's done, the putback team can come in and basically put the home back together.